Looking for a power supply that delivers steady, reliable power without breaking the bank? The ARESGame AGW550 offers just that, a perfect blend of performance and affordability designed to keep your gaming rig running smoothly and quietly. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading your current setup, this PSU promises consistent power output and a sleek, high-tech look that complements any build. What makes the AGW550 stand out? It's all in the details. This 550W desktop ATX power supply is 80+ bronze certified, meaning it operates at 85% efficiency or higher under typical loads. That translates to less wasted energy and lower heat generation. Speaking of heat, its honeycomb ventilation paired with an ultra-quiet 120mm fan ensures excellent cooling without distracting noise. Plus, the intelligent fan speed control adjusts automatically based on your system's needs, keeping things cool and quiet during intense gaming sessions. The design also caters to serious builders. The SECC black coating on the casing, black bushing cables, connectors, and fan create a sleek, unified look that adds a modern edge to your setup. Cable management is a breeze with long cables, at least 500mm, to fit high-end cases and help you maintain a clean, organized interior. The included ARESGame cable ties further reduce clutter, making your build look as professional as it performs. Compatibility won't be an issue either. The AGW550 supports high-end VGA cards with a modern PCIe 6+ 2-pin connector, so it can handle demanding graphics setups like the NVIDIA RTX 3050 or similar cards. It also comes with full protection features, over voltage, under voltage, over power, and short circuit protection, giving you peace of mind that your components are safe from power fluctuations. I recently helped a friend put together a gaming PC for his kid. The system included a Ryzen 5 2400 CPU, 32 GB of RAM, 2 SSDs, and a 3050 graphics card. The AGW550 was the perfect fit. It powered everything smoothly, ran quietly, and the cables fit nicely inside the RGB lit case. No fuss, no noise, just reliable power where it counts. That kind of performance at this price point is hard to beat. If you want a power supply that offers stable output, efficient energy use, and a clean, modern look, the ARESGame AGW550 deserves a serious look. It's a solid choice for gamers and PC builders who value reliability without overspending. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your system's power source and enjoy a quieter, cooler, and more efficient gaming experience.